Hi everyone, this is Swanette. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to create this mani and I hope you enjoy. So first I applied this very old polish from Rimmel to all my nails. And next I'm going to apply Orly's cotton candy using the dry brush method. This is very easy to do. Just dip your brush in your polish and remove the excess by wiping it off the neck of your bottle. And then just quickly swipe it over your nails to create that cool distressed look. For the stamping, I'll be using Cici and Sisi Nature 01. The first image that I'll be applying is this floral pattern, and I'll be using Bundle Monster's Bam White. And next I'm going to stamp on these two small images, and I will be using Colorina's Black and Cici and Sisi's new nail stamper. After I finish stamping, I like to clean up, and I'm using a small brush with some nail polish remover. The final step is to apply your favorite top coat, and I'm using Seche. And you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and happy stamping. Bye!